Option pricing can be a complex subject, but the binomial option pricing model is an excellent way to understand how options work and how they can be priced. The binomial option pricing model is often used by finance practitioners and academics to value options and other derivative securities. It's based on the no-arbitrage principle, which states that no risk-free profit can be earned from entering a set of transactions. The model uses a binomial lattice to depict the different prices of an asset, with each node representing an asset price that can either increase or decrease. MarketXLS offers a wide range of financial functions to users, including the ability to create your own option pricing model or use the binomial option pricing model Excel template provided on the MarketXLS website. Download the binomial option pricing template from the website and enter the required parameters. The parameters required by the BOPM template include the spot price, strike price, time period for each node, risk-free interest rate, rate of upward movement in stock price, rate of downward movement in the stock price, number of steps in the tree structure called put option. After entering the required parameters, the template will calculate the option's price using the binomial option pricing model. However, it's important to note that the template accommodates only two-time jumps. If further branches are required, customization is necessary. MarketXLS also offers a binomial option pricing model, Excel tutorial, and other helpful resources to help you further understand this method of pricing options. The binomial option pricing model has several advantages over other option pricing models, such as its flexibility. It can be used to price options in situations where other models cannot be applied, and it allows for the inclusion of dividend yields, making it a more accurate pricing model for assets that pay dividends. By using the binomial option pricing model and tools such as Excel and MarketXLS, investors and analysts can accurately price options and make informed investment decisions. The model's flexibility and accuracy make it an essential tool in the financial industry for understanding how options work and how they can be priced. MarketXLS gives you enterprise-grade data, analytics, availability, and security from the simplicity, cost-effectiveness, and flexibility of spreadsheets. Get started today at MarketXLS.com.